Paseka Mako Thabiso Munyani bathi baku Chiefs mfana igcwele le ndaba.
Yeah.
Mina I think personally both of them are good players. They work very hard, especially Umako for me.
Yeah.
Noma ushoti but just pana lepa. Wekena le run yakhe.
Yes, but
Wekena le run yakhe le. Ngazodlala uma kuphefumelela kuwe manje. Mina I think iKaizer Chiefs yoba ibuilder. I feel ukuthi they need fresh talent.
yeah.
Do you think vele uSipho it can be the right move ntwana kuya kuKaizer Chiefs manje?
Mina ngiyakutshela lo mfana makangaya laphi. Life yakhe izochange naye afocus. Is the missing link lapha eKaizer Chiefs.
Hayi nami mfana ngiyamfuna lapha.
Hayi mama, he's a Kaizer Chiefs player lo ke.
Ende ku Pirates normally isikhathi esiningi ubani odlala eze10.
Tito.
I-ambulance yasethembisa.
Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi nayo bayayiphusha manje i-ambulance yasethembisa ngoba inokustaka.
Yeah.
Inokustaka. Ewona inokustaka ititire imarimini.
Athi ngifake classic, athi ngibeke classic. Mina ngiyifaki lesi, ngidumise shi, yazi ngiyipush peshi. Mina ngiyayikhoza tension, athi khona into eshile ngababa ngibuza question. Mina ngifake skate yonke.
Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani ma-Afrika mahle. Welcome to Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, Shuffling Diski Ringers. I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu. Namhlanje bafethu ishow yethu is about sohlafuna indaba ze PSL. We'll talk about what's happening njengoba kuyi off season ama signings ayenzakalayo. There's a lot of topics esizozithatha namhlanje, even if angeke siwathashe wonke ama topics, but whatever lawa esiwakhethile ukuthi sikhulume ngawo la ku GMDS sizohlafuna wona siphawule siphikisana masiphikisana bafowethu. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, Shuffling Diski Ringers. Angivayi ngiyi-one bafethu. Namhlanje sizozishwashwata sizohlafuna indaba ezenzakalayo ebholweni. Angihambi ngiyi-one ngivaya nesikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo uMahlangu. Hlangu
Uthini Hlangu? Urehe mfu.
Ngirehe mfu. Mrara wokho.
Ukomuhleka mfu. Ngikubuza ukuthi uphilile na?
Hayi ngiphilile mfowethu. Ngiright. Ile sikhathi sakhona lesi sama movement wama player abacoach. Kuningi mfethu, but ungazi introduce mfana as usual, then sihlafune le indaba lezi ngespeed.
Yeah, nami ke ngilochise abalaleli bethu nababukeli beJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Egama lami uSibusiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Jabu, khona ngikubonile ngahleka kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi we are doing well. Abantu ababukela le show nabayilandelayo. Ngibone someone man athi we are funded in this show. That is why when I was sakhulumi nge financial fair play, because it's either Sundowns yakufunda or someone is funding you to make you keep quiet.
Yeah, ile out le support bayibiza abantu
PhD.
bayibiza PhD.
Yeah.
Ukhuluma kakhulu akakhohlwa azi yonke into asibholo yamkeni. Uyamazi? I've got the right. I'm the only one who got the right. Ay lo yamtshitha lo yakazikhohla ke. Akazikhohla hlakaniphi azi yonke into.
Let's set the record straight mfana sibachele.
Yeah, guys, we are not funded at all.
Yeah.
And angiphenduli wena PSG. Ubani PhD. Yabona manje sengiyokwenza famous manje. Sekwenza famous uthi hey Jabu Mapule, he said he spoke about financial fair play. Manje ngisakhuluma ngayo and you can see our studio that have been funded. We are not being funded at all. Let me set that record straight. We look papa. We are papa.
Right.
We are papa. We are papela. ungakhuluma abantu no kumele atshele yazi why ngikhuluma so I'm not angry but these things abantu they misuse ama platforms
Yeah.
it's a problem uyithatha phi lento la ekhulumayo
Eish.
it's a problem sense why are you misleading people
Yeah.
where did you get that information did we say la ku GMTS we are funded did you say that
We've never said that.
we've never so that's why ngithi angeke I podcast le uyaphapha waphapha bro so get your facts right we are not funded by anyone here
Yeah.
you understand we worked kancane for the last 3 months ne budgets
Yeah.
but it was only for 3 months so besachekana ukuthi can we work together moving forward and ngizothini unfortunately or fortunately ngizothini
Unfortunately.
asisaspani ne budgets
Yeah, we could not agree.
we could not agree ne budgets ngezinto ebebazikhuluma nathi and na the way si feel ukuthi umsebenzi wethu siwenze ngakhona to promote budget which is a very young betting company
Yes.
it's very young
Very small.
very young that's why abantu bangayazi
Yeah.
so we didn't agree ngaloko esingavumelanga nako ngebudgets bafethu we move on basithole vele silibele siphusha on a zero budget
Yeah.
siyazihlanganisela thina ukwenza sure ukuthi siyaspana icontent yethu iba mnandi so I just wanted to set the record straight but at the same time I have to say thank you to budget
Yeah.
for that 3 months for giving us that opportunity but asivumelananga la singavumelananga khona so thina siyaqhubha but we are
Together
not
with
funded
iSharp.
we are not funded we are supported by iSharp
Yes.
siyayivala leyo
Yeah, sival.
siyayivala
Yeah, I hope that one is clear, mfana.
yeah it's very clear yeah and thank you angitshelanga nokuthi ngibambe off guard angitshelanga nokuthi uzokhuluma but that's
Yeah.
right because people are misusing ama platforms guys bakhulume bajabuliswe ukuthi bayakhuluma ama fans
Eish.
get your facts right gents please we are not funded here sisasokola
And siyayidinga funding. If
and
there's someone out
actually
there-
we are looking for a funding to sponsorship but we are also working on getting those sponsorship by doing what ukunigaya content emnandi la ku GMTS E educate entertain and engage ntwana namhlanje isho namhlanje off season asicale ngebafana
Yeah.
bafana bena bedlala idlala 2 yama international friendlies ne we draw one we won one
Yeah.
and nakule nale team lena yakaveli ekuKhosafa iqualifyile to ama semi-finals angisho weKhosafa is semi-finals angisho yeah weKhosafa so asicale ngebafana lama friendly lawa let draw and the win ucabanga ukuthi amajita lawa bawabizile okay there were still abo Mfukeng some players esibabiza like first team players but there were other players bebabanikeza iopportunity I think amajita adlale grand both games even if we drew the first game we should have won it we dominated the game another problem again yokunga convert and be clinical in that level I think we can improve on that but we don't have a goal poacher mdladla as a South African goal poacher asikhuluma iqiniso mfana
Yeah, Ivar.
like we don't have and yi problem yethu ntwana
And it's the biggest problem
it's the biggest problem
we've had for years. Since
sagcina ngabo Masinga the late Khotman abo Masinga mfethu Philmon but
that's a big problem in South Africa is now. And you remember from the days of Kapito Musimane when he stood on camera, national television, and he asked because people were criticizing him for always choosing Katle Khompela.
yeah
And he stood on TV and he said, if there's any striker that is better than Katle Khompela, please bring him to me.
at that time yeah but
Ngilethele,
ngizamfaka
ngizomfaka. If we know it's better than Katle Khompela. So even today we're still stuck lapho. We don't have ama goal poachers in Twan.
why can't we invest more kuma Grootman njengabo Paul Ndlanya,
Yeah.
Mark Williams, etc. Bacashwe nabo njengabo goalkeeper coach. Angisho kukhona goalkeeper coach. Why Mdladla now we don't take it to that level? Nangu Benny, he was working ku Manchester as a striker coach. So I feel ukuthi we need to go that route manje, and really because ama midfielder simnandi. Ya lapho simnandi, amapantsula khona. Nangale move ama TLB akhona. Simnandi. Goalkeeper Snow Ronwen nayo ushayini. Yabo, although I still feel ukuthi we need more. We need more. Yabo, we need more because struggle because uChina, with all due respect, is a good goalkeeper, but for me nakafiki kule level naka Ronwen.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. It's just my opinion, but he's a good goalkeeper. Yes. But akafiki ku level yaka Ronwen. And if you remember ngesikhathi sakaKhune no the late Muyiwa, they were almost in the same level. But uKhune was number 1.
Yeah.
Usenzo was here.
Yeah.
And Ronwen was number 3 at that time. You understand? So that's why Ronwen our number 1 and agule level aguyo because of he learned from the late Senzo and Itemile Mkhune.
And he was still young.
And he was still young.
Yes.
So we need to invest Gulama department because you check even the team a lot of PSL teams they ama goalkeeper it's foreign goalkeepers.
Yeah.
And we're not taking away anything from foreign goalkeepers, but we are talking about us here. We are talking about the country too.
We need to develop more goalkeepers. Just to continue on what you are saying, Ronwen Fernandez. Not
Ronwen.
Fernandez, man, Ronwen Williams. When he was young at the time, there was Khune, there was Senzo,
And
there was him. So now we have Ronwen, there's Lentona under 20. Winner ilentuzane manje ne under 20.
Yeah, Ulo. Yeah, we need goalkeeper of the tournament who AFCON. Yeah, Kotla, this boy udlala overseas. Just forgot his name.
They need to bring
guys, ubani ongasicheckela igama lalo goalkeeper ngespeed our under 20 goalkeeper, please ngicela nisicheckele singathi simhloniphe lo muntu goalkeeper of the tournament AFCON mfethu. We need to simhloniphe.
We need to recognize him.
We need to recognize him proper.
We are lacking in that department. So he needs to be brought in now na kubafana bafana so that he can learn from the likes of Uchain and Ronwen. In
but
future
Uchain Mdladla miyeke kancane usafunda naye.
Now usafunda.
Your opinion yami.
Okay.
Akakafiki. That's why ngiyenze example ukuthi
ngiyaka understand.
Akakafiki.
Akakabi kule ya level.
Because kunamanye ama game towards the end of the season, he was a bit sluggish. Ingqondo yakhe ngathi bekakhathele or ini.
Yes, but then again he is.
Yeah, ubani you can tell us. Yeah? Fletcher Low. Yeah. Fletcher Low. Yeah. That's our goalkeeper, Baba. That's our future number 1.
That's our future number
1. That one, yeah.
Yeah. So even nama strikers ntwana, we need to do the same thing ntwana. We need to do njengoba usho Benny McCarthy was a striker coach at
Man
Manchester.
United.
So nalana mfethu kubafana bafana or not kubafana bafana.
No, it made it
I mean to say kuma teams.
Kuma teams.
They need to hire ama
striker
coach. Coach ama jita mfethu because it's a real problem. Manje sinobani uReynolds ilo mfana lo ophesheya
uFosler.
Yeah. And then yiba abantu engathi bathembile ukuthi manje yiba ama goal scorers wethu. So other than that,
and then abasinika ama goal every game.
Uyangithola mfethu.
So hey, it's a problem.
It's a big problem then of which we need to fix as a country. So going kuyo lento le yabafana njengoba siqeda ukuna it's a good thing mfethu. But I have questions mina njengoba besidlala manje, especially this past weekend. We have Bafana playing, which is some people were saying that's a B team. Bafana. Do you agree with that?
Lebedlala international friendly.
Is it Bafana straight or a B?
Mina it's Bafana. Once you wear each is Bafana ne flag. It's Bafana.
Aguna B, aguna C, aguna.
Even
naledla la noveli ngale Bafana.
Bafana. Otherwise, why bagcula each is the South Africa? Why bagcula a national anthem before the game? Because that's my view.
No, you can understand.
Abanye bangathi B, C. i-choice yabo yokubabiza kanjalo, but mina I still respect them all the same.
Yeah.
Once ugcoka ijezi lebafana bafana.
Okay, no, that's
So what do you think is the plan?
nami ngitry understand the plan
And uMadala,
of having
because
so many teams by bafana bonke. I understand maybe trying to get the bigger pool yama players to get ama options in case one is injured and also another thing is it's ilontuzane ama player ayakhula ngithi. So we can't be relying kuRonwen always. We can't be relying kuTebogo Mokoena always.
Ronwen sesimnandi
so we need
siphethe ulo ubani konje lo mfana ulow
Yeah.
phethe ulow ase
So
lapho at least
I think that's what he's trying to do, to get more options, to get a bigger pool of players for Bafana Bafana. Singa struggle and then a continuation of our players. Baz structure se Bafana, how do we want to play? Because you can see nang a profile ama players abawalethayo ukuthi ama player anjani for every position. Uyakhona ukubona ukuthi lo uyafana nalo. Let me let's go midfield. You saw they played who's that boy odlale the last game manje, the big one bayagcoka number 13 konje ubani igama lakhe ngimkhohliwe. But you can see what the coach is trying to do is bringing the same profile of players in the same positions. On the wings he wants someone who can dribble, who is faster, which is what he brought to Ngomuremi. So he wants to bring similar players, kube ne continuity singathi, which is something that we've been doing in the past, whereby let's have a player with profile different and we want to play a certain way. But man, if we want to play lendlela esidlala ngayo as Bafana, we need to bring the same profile of players. Which Mause winging, we want players, someone who can dribble, someone who can cut in and shoot, which is what Abonkota and Aborele are doing. Those are same profile of players in those positions. So I can see what he's trying to do, Bruce, and I hope when he retires or when he leaves Bafana, whoever comes in can continue with what this guy is doing. I hope they are learning Abomkelele from the coach, because mina personally I think he's doing a brilliant job, Coach Bruce.
Yeah, no, nami I'm happy mdladla. Ithi guys, please don't forget company say pusher. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. Is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringers, Neskokhelayo, sense of knowledge. And also, I would like to thank bonke abantu abasubscribe bafethu. Hey, besichecka ama stats wethu, we are growing. Yeah. And stand ukuthi from the bottom of our hearts, siyabonga bafethu, everyone usubscribeile. Nawe wena usacabanga ukuthi mhlambe usadoubt ukupressa that button ukusubscribe, please press mfethu, it's for free.
Charge, yeah.
It's free of charge. Press as competing namuntu thina, we are doing our thing, and triple E, entertain, educate, and engage. Slogan sethu leso. So siyabonga kakhulu ma GMDS amahle for ukusubscriber ichannel yakhula kakhulu. Sibonge kakhulu. Mdladla lama team lawo le bafana bedlala ama friend, you are right, it's almost the same identical players kuma position, which is something esigcine kudala ukuyibona yenzeka kubafana, right? Banokubiza banokususa iplayer elithize balethi iplayer engafani naleya kuleya position. So into beyisilemazi, but uko Bros manje already remember sekanayo database.
Yeah.
Ne? So le ntwana lezi bezidlala ama international friendly, I think most of them they've done well kulama game wethu, and uze washo nayo coach ukuthi hey ngizoba nenkinga makumele ngize final squad ye World Cup qualify, because hey I'm impressed with few players baziphakamisile izandla ukuthi hey sifuna ukuba ku first team, yangithola. And then iKhosafa for mina, I think because amajita angadlali emathimini wawo most.
Yeah.
So I think ukuthi ibanikeza opportunity ukuthi nabo bangalahlwa. Just because mhlambe eteamini yakho awutholi game time or ubuya ku injury so mhlambe uya struggling to get I form or I fitness. So ngithatha serious mina as uJabu that tournament because as much as Hugo Bros wile wathi he doesn't see ukubaluleka kwayo yabona it's iopinion yakhe because ukhala ngokuthi which as a head coach iyenza sense ukhala ngokuthi angikwazi ukuyocoacha leya team eyeKhosafa ekubeni lama player lawa ama player angadlali ema teamini wabo as a head coach ebafana vele you can't. I think iyenza sense in my view but
if ama player angadlali asilekthwa kanjani kuleyo Khosafa leyo
no,
why
angisho ayikho ku FIFA calendar
but angakho ama player adlala football mfethu. Why can't we select players who are playing regular PSL football but do not qualify maybe to play for Bafana?
That's a good question.
We have a certain number
That's
of players
a good
that must be
question.
selected.
Ushuthi laba abangaba select abamnandanga kahle. Abamnandi. Batengi mara ababasheba. Oh adlali marumnandi.
Abone womayema.
Yangana no we can name a lot.
Yeah.
Abamnandi.
Abokabelo Dlamini.
Abokabelo Dlamini. So it is banikeza opportunity ngale Khosafa because kudlala only local players futhi ku Khosafa and it's the tournament yase Southern, it's a Southern Hemisphere angisho tournament. So I think mina Mdladla nyayizwa le question yakho but amajita lawa for example mabuya ku injury siyazi umnandi mhlambe unokungena second half eteamini yakho awusi regular thisisho kanjani mabakubiza ku Khosafa ugcoka lela jersey lebafana intwana liya guy spirit manje sokuthi siya encourage ukuthi uyabona uphakamise nawe and ngalokho I don't think coach if unga perform well ku Khosafa he will say it was Khosafa, don't call him uzokubiza akusondeze ngapha
eteamini yakho
eteam no
or usho kubafana
ngisho kubafana mina asithi na ku Khosafa njengoba sikuma semifinal obviously kunamajita that will do well ku Khosafa labo bantu sebazi at least sebaphakamisa isandla sokuthi basondele ku second team before the first team eyebafana
ayi wena now you just said to me now akuna second team
no ayikho Mdladla ngizama ukuthi ngikhulumela mina ukurespecta ukuthi makuthiwa iSouth Africa bagcoka ijezi leSouth Africa bagcoka national anthem that is bafana but mangithi first team ifana nokuthi ngithi first lineup then ungena ku reserve.
All right no ngiyakuthola
angizi contradict la ngiclear ngalento ngikhuluma uyangithola ukuthi ngisho kanjani fana nokuthi first lineup then reserve and ama reserve alwela ini ukuthi mawathola ichance ulwela ukuthi aqale ukuthi akhiphe lo so ngithi Khosafa if you do well at least ikunika ichance ukuthi usondele.
No ngiyakuzwa but for me iKhosafa I think since we don't even asina under 23 currently as a country
and umhlolo loyo.
So I think the players that are under 23 I think they should give it to them, allow them to play iKhosafa. For me I think it would be best intwana is under 23 let them play iKhosafa and prove themselves and get used to international standard since we don't have under 23.
No, that's good.
Intwana mhlambe ina 21 I qualify ngudlala ama under 20 nabo ma under 17. Now he's losing a lot of time
in between
la ngabe manje yadlala ku under 23 akuna under 23 so leyo ntwana leyo iya affecteka currently. So I think yizo intwana bekumele sizidonse sizifake lapha sidlala iKhosafa.
Ntwana siyadlula manje ngivumelana nawe lapha
sure
iKhosafa ayidlalwe ama under 23
kahle
under 23 strictly ngiyavuma ucoach mfana masisuka kubafana uconsent ngelack of game time eyakaThemba Zwane uHugo Bros. What's your take
Yeah, all right, I'm concerned, and I think a lot of us are concerned because we don't know ukuthi ukuyiphi level manje uThembazwane in terms of fitness, match fitness, because udlalwa i-World Cup, and I think uyamdinga Hugo Broos, uyamdinga uThembazwane as a country. So ukuthi bangamdlalisi at Sundowns iyasicosta nathi as
mara ubuya kunjari.
Yes, we are injured, but
awumalungene nje.
he's been fine for the past 2 months, I think, or what, a month or two. He's been okay. So introduce him slowly, give him. Ungathi umuntu uyamanager, but he's sitting on the bench. What are you doing?
You should ukhadi osune problem no Themba.
Inenkinga Julia out, and mine izoba nenkinga no Thembazwane, izoba nenkinga ne country.
Mara uThembazwane unangaki?
Which is why age yakhe ntwana does not matter, because he still delivers on the field, which is something important to ukuthi what is it that he does when he gets on the field. We are deliver better than if you can bring a 24-year-old and put a Thembazwane in terms of
fit
delivery.
Thembazwane.
A fit Thembazwane. Uyamshambulala, uyangithola. So let's try to get Thembazwane fit for the benefit of our country. Mawumbeka le ngaphandle uThembazwane wara uyoba ne problem, and into ezomqoshisa espanini lo yamjita lo weSundowns.
Siyeza kuye later on.
Because he must ask, the coach is concerned not because he's concerned because he wants a fit Thembazwane. That is his concern. This guy, if he's not playing, he's not gonna give me what he can give me when he's fit. Because the only problem Thembazwane, not problem, but the only issue if he's not fit, obvious, he's not gonna play at his level best.
Or maybe give him ama-minutes athize gradually.
Gradually, angithi uthi uyammanage.
Yeah.
So ma umanager umuntu wenza na umhlalise ebenchini. Give him ama-minutes. I understand njengoba mhlambe bekambeke ebenchini lo coach lo. But 30 minutes nyana mlahlele.
Yeah.
Next game 40. Yabu
Yeah,
kanjalo.
kanjalo.
Gradually as abe fit. But you umdlalisi at all. It tells us you have a problem with the man.
And mfana nangu Cristiano Ronaldo ucede ukuwina ile UEFA
Yeah.
Nations Cup.
And he scored.
Una 40. Yeah, he scored in the semi-final. He also scored the final.
Yeah.
Even if they won iphele kanjani ngama penalty ne?
Yeah, bawina ngama
Yeah.
penalty.
So ngiyazi ukuthi ngithe uThembazwane age, yes, but une experience. Bengakhulumi kabi ukuthi uThemba hayi seka
Yeah.
then, because I'm trying to say askopeni phela eEurope.
Yeah.
Angisho thina scope eEurope. Angisho Europe sibona sibheke
Yeah.
Europe, then whatever they do siyayithatha siyenze or sicabanga ukuthi hiyo right, hiyo best, ne? Now uCristiano una 40. Ucede ukuwina that thing, UEFA Nations le. Mara South Africa mawuna 30 uvithikile.
Yeah,
But uphelile.
Yeah.
So guys, we have to challenge the South African mentality. Nama team. Yabo asile ama team now.
Yeah,
Namele siwatshela ama team asile nisekabi nina ama team.
Yeah.
Niseka because you understand now
Ngiyakuthola
Cristiano una
mfana.
40, Messi una almost 40.
Yeah.
I think umdlila nga 2 or 3 years, but usadlala MLS. But this guy, he plays at the highest level at 40 years. South Africa ku PSL mawuthi 29 30. Bakuthitha njengenja
Yeah.
ama team wala eSouth
Which is
Africa.
what is happening to Thembazwane. That man
Yeah.
deserves respect.
That's why ngithi they don't respect maturity ne experienced player like South Africa.
Yeah.
Bavele bakuthuke bathi uphelile. But it's a topic for another day. But South African teams ngale miqondo yenu le ebolile, you must change also, because le ntwana lezi, that's why le ntwana lezi mazingena generation to generation zingena amahlutmana wekho kuba intwana. That's why kuba kungabi
exactly.
ne discipline.
No one is there to guide.
No
these
one
young
is
boys.
there to guide them. Kuba intwana zodwa ziyakhombana zinama ego. That thing yama senior player is important. Andre Pirlo, the Italian guy.
Yeah.
Naye he played Italy, I think under 42 years old. He was player of the season ku Serie A.
Imagine.
Ku Juventus.
Imagine.
42 years old.
Buffon yena
Buffon angisakhuluma.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to say, yazi ngithe mangibona uCristiano ngathi, hey, I can't wait ukuthi sizoshoota le episode. So that raise this thing with guys, let's respect ama-player nabo ma-30, 35. As long as asakunikeza what you want and asakunikeza asa-performer, asase-fit, play him. Stop calling ama-Jita nabo ma-30 names. Stop it. It must come to an end.
No, that
Because the same South Africans bashayela uCristiano izandla but yo una 40 hey untse mara your own makana 30 anifuni nokuthi afike ku 35
a case in
Niyamcrusha.
point. A case in point wena Jabu.
niyamcrusha angakafiki na ku 35 seniyamcrusha.
Ukhune.
That's wrong, South Africans. We need to change that mentality. We can't clap hands for Europeans abanabo ma 40 badlala at the highest level and then we crush our own.
Yeah,
At
we
30
can't,
years
we
old,
can't.
sesibabisa ukuthi baphelile abomadala. That's wrong. Iyanibonisa ukuthi nani anikho matured.
Exactly.
Because a 30-year-old player is not the same as a 25-year-old. He's matured.
uyazi ufunani.
Uyazi ufunani and he knows game ukuthi demanda ini, he knows where to go, he knows when the chips are down how to lift the team up, all those that experience like South Africa it's like mawucala uba na 30 ngathi uba ne experience abakufuni
Abasakufuni.
like abafuni ubonise lentwana ezizayo indlela nani uba guide na bafuna ukuhlala banentwana so that bazokwazi ukuzicontrol bazimanipulate all the time.
Bheka ntwana ukhune ne hayi ukuthi ngiyamkhulumela even if maybe he was not already performing at the highest
Ntangikhule
level.
bekumele uyadlala ntana ungathi ungayi
Yeah.
sugar coat.
Yes, so ukhune ntwana uyamkeepa at Kaizer Chiefs. Who are the senior players abasala? Who knows the culture of Kaizer Chiefs
No one.
better than Ukhune?
The captain of Kaizer Chiefs doesn't know the culture of Kaizer Chiefs.
If
Khune
Kune
was
is
supposed to be
there, he was going to help even the coach, even the technical team.
Yes.
Keep the experienced guys in the team. Even if Awusamdlalisi as much as you would want to, but he is there mfethu, to guide you, to talk to the new guys in the team, to guide them, tell them about the culture.
Ngezinye izinto bona ebangakhoni ukuzenza Mdladla because he knows the culture. I agree with you. But that's South Africa for you. But yeah, congratulations to Bafana ngokuwina la to draw and win, but in terms of the progress your team we see the progress and we are happy about that. And again well done to amajita lawa dlala iKhosafa Bafana now to reach ama semi-finals. Nani siyan recognize bafethu keep pushing, especially when if you are EH sase on your side and udlala kuKhosafa, please push yourself so that uzokwazi ukuthi uzoba nama chances ukuza ngale ku kule team le ekuthiwa or maybe get into the final squad as a World Cup. Sibe kanjalo.
Because that's the goal, man.
That's the goal manje. It's the World Cup. Okay, well done Hugo Bros. Siyabona ukuthi we happy. And then Paseka Mako Thabiso Munyani bathi baku Chiefs mfana igcwele le ndaba.
Yeah.
Mina I think personally both of them are good players. They work very hard, especially Umako for me.
Yeah.
Noma ushoti but just pana le pa. Wekena le run yakhe.
Yes, but
Wekena le run yakhe le. Ngazodlala uma kuphefumelela kuwe manje. Ngamshiya le kukhona flag baba. Mawuthi ungena eboxini sekala.
umafele emntwini.
Umafele emntwini. Dasayele wadumba walimala nobuso.
Yeah.
Uyangena but lapho akusijoke ukuthi wile walimala. I'm just saying the passion,
dedicated
the
and
dedication
passionate,
yalo yamfana ku height yakhe and kule position ayidlalayo. I mean kwagcina ngabo Rufus Mukoti, ama left back amancane, abo Gardner Siyale ngalesa sikhathi naNana Ntombela. Uyabona ukuthi ngikubalela abantu aba almost but ebeba
Yeah.
big heart. But for me Ntwana, for Kaizer Chiefs, mina I think Kaizer Chiefs joba ibuilder. I feel good they need fresh talent.
Yeah.
Fresh
Because we are builder, yeah.
because we are builder. And then with all due respect to both players, Umunyani no Marco. good players, professionals. Ngeke uzwe ikandali ngabo nani they work.
Yeah.
When it's time to work, they work. But for me, I think many Chiefs for me na mfana bekumele ngabasign. And I would angibazi labafana ngiyabathanda ngokudlala ibhola. Uyazi ngithanda abantu abadlala ibhola, bayadlala ibhola. But for I process iKaizer Chiefs ekuyo, hayi mfana kufuneka abantu abafresh lapha yana to start afresh because uma kubayamazi ini uyaziwa uzoletha ini. And does iKaizer Chiefs style suit le style besidlalwa uRibeiro ku Pirates? That's another question. So bring someone fresh, but I don't know what's your take. Meaning they are good players, but I think the Chiefs being up somewhere foot.
Yes, looking at the signings, Lord.
Angisho bathina baka sign.
But I think
Basa negotiate.
by the time this episode iphuma bayobaqedile because uPaseko Mako ngathi usignile already. Chabiso Monyane is I think kuma advanced stages of my negotiations. But for me Umonyane is still young. He's 25 years old. Upaseko I think is 31. So I
And then yamncane uPaseka, ne? Don't get me wrong.
You just said it.
Yeah,
You just said it.
yeah. Yeah.
I think the coach is trying to find a balance mhlawumbe. Since he has looked in the PSL ukuthi lapha ka left uyaleka. They are playing Leamlung Gross. And I don't know how Gross.
But you've got Mashiane. You don't use Mashiane, you've got quality ntanga.
Mashiane has been at Chiefs for years, Joe. He doesn't play.
Ejo lentwana imnandi.
Coach.
Lentwana kumele ngiyithathe ngise kumapostoli yogaba.
Ngiza ngokutshela.
Upeyita lentwana.
Imnandi.
Angeke.
Mina ngayibona
Hayi
isaqala
lentwana le angeke bafethu khona
But yes-
kunento eyiblockayo kunento eblockayo lamfana umzima loya.
Ngiyamazi mina. First season I thought this is
Yes.
a jam. But coach in, coach out, akadlali lo mfana. Uyangithola akadlali. And with
Ambogapha
the
mfana
talent
kithi.
that he has, yeah, maybe mela yogapha mfana.
Amokhipha yonke lehlemehleme egcwele la.
One of it. So Jabo.
So ucabangani ngala signing wethu?
Lama signing, I mean, I think they are good signings mfethu because at the end of the
Bazonceda
day,
iChiefs.
as much as they are building, they still need to find the balance because the Kaizer Chiefs abantu bakhona bekho patience. So you need to win uloku builder. Uyangithola? So you need to find the balance. If you are builder kahle you need to build maybe with younger players. But people are not patient enough to say, yeah, but he's got young boys. We are not winning. They don't have that attitude. Especially my friends with Chiefs. They want to win something at least. So when you have a balance, you're a player that are a little bit older but can contribute on the field, then you can bring them. Whilst laba bancane balogo ulogo ba builder like intwana yaka Patrick Mbutu, I'm sure the next season bazo bring in. He's a left back as well. So I think they can bring in. He can learn from Upaseko Marco.
Blind. Yeah.
He can learn from Abo Marco. They can balance the team by producing instant results like Chiefs wafunayo, whilst the other young boys are growing.
Yeah, mina the only thing engiyincomayo ku Kaizer Chiefs ngale topic yala ma player wethu ama defender. Wethu.
Yeah.
And the Chiefs, they were the worst defensive team kule season esibuya kuyo. Bawu number 3. I think number 1 it was Gallants. Gallants, I think they've conceded 38 goals. And then kweza Amazulu ila kubuma 32 30 something, and then it Chiefs iku 30 31 between lap, and iyacala ukwenzeka leyo nto ukuthi Chiefs in a season iconsider 30 goals kusho ukuthi yona bayikore kusho bayikore wonke ama game. So mawudlala ni Chiefs there's a goal, showcase noma kayenzeka lana. So they need to focus there. So ngibancoma lapho ukuthi it's baya realize ukuthi because offensively sibatshelile on this show abantu ama stats athi iKaizer Chiefs in terms of creating chances, opportunities, bagu top 3.
Yeah.
It's Sundowns, it's Pirates, it's Kaizer Chiefs. The difference between Sundowns, they are clinical. Pirates, nabo but clinical. Chiefs, they are not. That's the only difference. But Maucheka Masters, the Chiefs, it's number 3.
And aba concede laba.
And the Laba concede and the Chiefs are consider exactly. Yeah, so but let's see. Uma Konyamtanda, maybe he can prove me wrong. But mina bengisho nje ukuthi mhlamba I
No,
think
ngiyakuza ukhulumela based on the fact that baku building process Chiefs.
yeah.
So you can't bring players who are
And ubuya
yeah.
like you understand. Yeah. Okay, nothing wrong with ubuya ku Pirates, but ngicabanga mina ubu fresh man mdlali.
No, ngiyakuzwa.
Ngicabanga ubu fresh
I
because
understand you.
ukhona lo mfana kaMbutho, ukhona uMashiyani. Nalo mfana lo umlungu ubani? Ugross. And then mhlambi if uEda noMarco. But uMashiyani has been there for how many years? Lento esikhulumayo. Abamgaya chance the way. And bekumele nayo imanagement yaphakama ifuna ukwazi ukuthi why because even namanje mdlali lo mfana unokuhlala estandini abuye ahlala ebenchini nini adlala. He never disappointed makadlala but the following game adlala eGrand straight footy stand or bench. But
Yeah,
we don't know what's
going on.
going
There's a
on.
problem ngoba ufike ngobani ufiletho Ada ne.
Intwana kaAda, intwana zaka Ada
Yeah.
zonke abo Ngcobo,
Yes.
abomdu 2018 ne? Yeah.
Cabanga. 7 years there and he akaka command a regular
Julian
playing time.
Ntwembu le.
Intwembu, but obvious there's something angayenzi right of which mina now you can't say because it's clearly la. Phela ama coaches engakajike lapha. We can't say all of them have a problem with him. So clearly the problem is with the boy. The boy needs to, I don't know what, maybe uyomgabhisa njengoba usho ntwana.
Hayi mele ngibayisele Everton. Sipho Mbule Rivaldo released by Sundowns. Leyo ukuthi Sipho has been offered to Chiefs Mike Makap we
apologize.
who apologized.
But he did say that.
He did say that.
Yeah.
Umzwile.
Yeah, ushilo.
Usho kuphi?
Kugagazi.
Utheni?
Uthe
Ngitshela ngizwa.
This man.
Awufuna ukutheni?
Uthe Sipombule available and is being offered to Kaizer Chiefs.
What does that
And then
mean?
yeah?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Yeah, maka ichikutinda ile ntwana.
Yazi isingukutshela.
Isingamla uyaskena.
Mamela, when he comes
Makathi-
back and he apologized because he felt ukuthi udisrespect Kaizer Chiefs or he put them under pressure to sign uSipombule because when he said that immediately people are saying they are putting pressure kubo Bobby na ku Junior K ukuthi yeah Sipombule is available, sign him. Meanwhile maybe Kaizer Chiefs does not want to sign Sipombule because of all these outside shenanigans waka Sipombule. So already Mike Makap ubafaka under pressure. It's like ubakhomba ngesibhamu ukuthi nali player available uyazi ama fans we Chiefs azophakama akhulume. So that is why he came back and he apologized ukuthi I'm sorry for saying this but uyishilo yena and then he put Kaizer Chiefs on the spot with decide and wenzani ubalusa nama fans wabo. Chiefs is assessor whatever that they are assessing ukuthi is he the right profile of a player to bring him. Playing wise obviously we all love Sipho but basabheka nabo ukuthi can we really bring this boy here?
Mabasayina uSipho mfethu angadlala lapha mina ngingajabula mangadlala la.
So jabula sonke.
Yabona. Then bese ngiba nama meeting yana naye once a month.
Yeah.
Ama one on one. But mele bangifake ku payroll.
Yeah. But lezi zinto zayenziwa mfana in Europe.
And before sizongena kuya ku Rivaldo do you think vele uSipho it can be the right move ntwana kuya ku Kaizer Chiefs manje?
Mina ngiyakutshela lo mfana makangaya laphi. Life yakhe izochange naye afocus. He's the missing link lapha eKaizer Chiefs.
Hayi nami mfana ngiyamfuna lapha.
Hayi mama he's a Kaizer Chiefs player lo ke. Like Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs players, ama players be want something special. Those are the kind of players that you sign at Kaizer. Someone or special, someone on a X factor. Olubamba guy one le muntu lona lapha kuphakama FNB yonke. Elite guy one Master Chef phakama FNB yonke. That is Kaizer Chiefs. Man, iKaizer Chiefs adlala ngama player direct. Ufuna umuntu ozoyenza something iphakamisa ama fans ama opponent so amamele crowd iKaizer Chiefs yakungena. That's what you guys used to do. Abo Skara, abo Junior, phakamisa crowd ama opponent sewadunga crowd ya rasa. Kaizer Chiefs can play. But my logo idlala direct, that's not Kaizer Chiefs.
Mina mfana lo muntu lo mfana ikhosa lemsayini lo mfana.
Abamsayini.
Abamsayini. Oh okay, siyazikhulumela thina la.
Nami ngithi abamsayini.
Abamsayini.
They must take the risk.
But Keletso and to our viewers ne. While sisasekule issue le kaSipho. Our previous episode uSiyanda Zwane. We had to Siyanda la on the show. You were all there.
Yeah.
Makacela ukuthi ngikhulume noSipho just encourage and give him some words of wisdom because le ndlela ehambayo ngihambile and nale lifestyle ngizothi ayiphilayo ngiphila almost the same or even worse than him.
Yeah.
You understand? Wangicela on the show and I didn't expect that mdlala. Ayile angishaya nami la ukuthi iyawuthini bakhona abantu abanenhliziyo enhle njengoSiyanda Zwane kanje.
Indoda.
Abantu abakhona imfethu lemfana unenhliziyo enhle.
Akagaini next ngaleso sikhathi.
Mangethe.
Ucabangeleni out.
Yeah, njenge out ubuntu wangicela ukuthi imfethu if uyakhona zama ukureach out. So I did reach out to umfana uSipho sometime last week. Ngimsendele imessage not WhatsApp, Instagram DM. I think a day or two nama ngisazi because last week futhi benginento eziningi nami ngibusy ngazo but maybe one day or two between lapho but it's not important. Into ebalulekile ukuthi the boy called me.
He called you back.
He called me back.
Okay.
Ngiyabona sakhuluma. So mangethe khulumile nomfana and angizenzi steering angizenzi uNkulunkulu angeke ngibe uNkulunkulu but umfana ngikhulumile naye kancane we are working I'm hoping ukuthi sizohlangana physically yabona man to man yabona so that nje just ngishare experience yami naye ngimtshelile ngathi I don't judge you, I will never judge you. And njengoba lo mfana manje uSipho ajajwa nami ngijajiwe kanjalo ngisaphila abanye bese babhalele into bathini obituary ngisadlala le out le uBaring Gorgeous ubani uBBK
yeah
I remember very well and that's bebhlungu inhliziyo yami. I think he was still, is it City Press or Sunday Well, but Sunday washo so wathi yena wathi let's write ubushari yakaJabu Pool and ngintwana and ngine-female yangikwatisa le out BBK and mina uyankena angikaze ngazonda umuntu le yi out yokucala noNkulunkulu ngamtshela ngathi hayi uyankena njani mali le angincane uyankena ngithanda abantu bala le like how can you ukhuluma into esongo ngomuntu ophilayo just because we report uthi abantu basekhaya bathini mabafunda le article uBBK angina problem nice nokubonana masibona but uyayazi le article that was wrong. You don't say such
to a
young boy or talented uyabona. So uSipho ngikhulumile naye in short bafethu wena especially ngibonile nama comment after our episode noZwane a lot of ama fans wethu la ku JMDS bashilo ukuthi akhulumani if you can reach out just nje not ukuthi ngidladla ngizomchincha but he will relate to me firstly by not judging him and secondly give him courage and positive energy. That's what I did in our first call noSipho. So sizochubeka sihlangane physically because I've got other business people you know, that abakusekliam, like top business people, you know, they also want to help advise wherever they can. So sisayilungisa, and I hope uSipho uzasinika leyo opportunity leso sikhathi sikhulume naye because siyamthanda.
Yeah.
And nami ngiyamthanda personally, ngiyamthanda.
But a good thing about what you are saying, and they show a positive mindset from the boy. Ukuthi you sent him a DM on Instagram, and what he did is he called you back.
Yeah, and
which shows ukuthi umamele, and he does want help yakho. Because
Yeah.
omunye umuntu bekazoyibona i-DM athi hayi
ngizambona.
umuntu
No,
phela
nama-
ukuthi makayi superstar hayi
Yeah.
lo uzongichithela isikhathi
Hotman,
isikhathi
yeah.
sakhe sidlulile
Yeah.
uyangithola. But it shows ukuthi naye he really wants to talk to you, and maybe he trusts you enough to say maybe this guy can help me.
Yeah, no, that's why ngithi nami ngifuna ukumlethela nabanye abantu abangekho ku football, successful business people. Yabona amaGrootman amadala nakimi.
Yeah.
Ngilibele ngiGrootman kuwe, so that like we want to show him some love
Yeah.
and support
Showcase.
more than anything. So sizohlangana noSipho hopefully uNkulunkulu makasinikile isikhathi. Then Rivaldo mfethu shema iSundowns yamsayina limele yamtreata grand waphola ayi wabanzima nzima watshintsha ne role yokudlala yakho bese kadlala hey
Lapha
sekadlala lapha phakathi. What's your take mfana ngeSundowns ukuthi release manje?
Yeah, I can't blame Sundowns that
Yeah,
much for
yeah.
they gave him a
Yeah,
chance.
bamphethe kahle
Unfortunately, yeah,
mfethu. Yeah.
he's injury prone, and that's his biggest problem. But what a talented
What
guy
a
is.
talent. Yo.
What a talented guy is. I just hope wherever he's going, stay injury free. South Africa is who is this guy? He's one of the best
No, inswembu.
best footballers engibaziyo lo mfana lo. He knows the football.
Yeah, so we must give credit to Sundowns out here.
Yeah.
Because it's not easy for a big team like Sundowns to sign a player elimele.
Ne?
And then mabaqeda ukusign, we are straight go rehab we are not on the field. It's not easy, but they did it. So big up to Sundowns.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, what? Big up to Sundowns, and yeah, we wish him all the best, man. Okhotsi Rivaldo, and yeah, I think he has done his part. He has played his part. We need a Champions League. He won a lot of things in the Sundowns whenever he was injury free.
Yeah.
And we love him. He's a quality player, man.
No, he's a quality player.
Yeah, and then another story. Umuremi, I've heard ukuthi is in advance amazulu ne Pirates bakuma advance stages ukuthi basayine Umuremi bamlethe eOrlando kuma Bhakaniya. Ayi enye intwana engincanywayo intwana hayi lantwana le yantwana hayi no beyenza amasimo ntwana kule season esibuya kule kwaMazulu. No lo mfana improvile kakhulu, and slowly every game he was improving, and he was is one of the players that were very consistent in the PSL for me.
Yeah.
You understand, it's term of not scoring too many goals, but scoring goals as a winger, but a lot of assists, but a lot of involvement in almost every move ebeyenzwa Amazulu. Most of the goals that boy is involved.
Yeah.
You understand? I think Pirates lapayana. Do you think he's gonna play ngale ku Pirates
Definitely.
compared to ukuthi mhlambe if bekaye ku Chiefs or ku Sundowns?
No, he will definitely play at Pirates. Remember, you need a bigger squad. You need a depth. Mawuthi mefana ne Pirates if you want to compete in Sundowns, if you want to compete in Africa. You need quality players. You can't have Unkota playing I1 on the right. When he's not performing, then we have a problem as a team. So you need someone who's challenge naye and is improve naye Unkota, having this boy a compete naye for the same position. Both of them will performance is increase next season.
Yeah,
Because
ngiyakuthola.
they'll be pushing one another
Yeah.
at training for that starting position. They'll always be pushing one another, and that's how they will improve. So it's a good signing for Luntuzane, Orlando Pirates, if they do sign him.
And then ubani Kwayiba.
Yeah,
Kwayiba vele uthi usayinile.
Kwaibo signing.
Usayinile ne iPirates bayamdinga vele mawubhekile.
Yeah, for mina, Ntwana, angiko 100% sure. I think bekasadinga one more season. Elontuzaneni. Ngimbonile nakubafana. He's a good player yena, but I think bekasadinga one more season la bekadlala khona. Yeah, my opinion. Kuchipa.
Yeah.
I think bekasadinga just the season yana nje adlale futhi kokugcina and then come the other season lapha ku Pirates. But yena angimsoli kangako. Let's see ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani when he plays with players who are good or are talented.
Because udlala as a 10
udlala is
and ku Pirates normally isikhathi nesiningi ubani odlala as a 10.
Tito.
I-ambulance yasethembisa.
Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi nayo bayayiphusha manje ambulance yasethembisa ngoba inokustaka.
Yeah.
Inokustaka. Yabona inokustaka ititire marimini. So maybe naye phela izomphusha.
Yeah.
Because lento ekhuluma is key to iPirates sayodlala continental football. Yes, they can release players, but they need to sign a bit more because lento eshilo mangabheka nala season. Yes, Jose uzamile ukumanage squad sakhe yabona ukurotator but most of the time bekudlala almost the same squad. So they need to have a luxury whereby kwamanye ama-game like i-Sundowns inokufaka 8 kwamanye ama-game because i-rest amanye ama-game because after 2 days we are travel we Cairo. For example, we Mauritius, we are Tunisia, etc. You understand? So they need to add more players. But for me, Nukwaiba, I think you are right. He should have maybe stayed one more season cheaper as aqine kokugcina. But mhlambi idlozi lakhe livumile ntwana.
Yeah,
but
we are not saying he's a bad player.
Yeah.
He's not. Otherwise, Hugo Bruce bengakambiza kubafana bafana.
Yeah.
He's a very good player. And I just feel nje ukuthi maybe.
No, I understand that you could just nje again more experience, aqine more, improve more so that akwazi ukugcina ngoba manje la yakhona what will trap ane kay one ladlula or la shaya ibonda. Bakushaya ngevili.
Ntwana.
So mela be strong uyabona and I'm wishing him the best including uPaseka Mako ku Chiefs if seka sayinile or uyasayina vele naye umunyani. Actually wonke ama player yosayina amuvayo. I wish them well.
Yeah.
Kuma teams wabo yabona. So yeah, let's wait and see ukuthi unayo character eyogcoka lela jersey le Pirates.
Yeah.
But yena is a very talented player for me.
Definitely.
I like him also.
Definitely.
Uyabona. And then must move vela ku uchipa sisase kuchi sikena kuchipa ke mpengisi. Yo.
Yo.
Ay. Hey yacoshana le yabhari. Akanasikhathi. And I understand ukuthi urana kanjani football or ungene kanjani football angenasikhathi. Yabona mongenasikhathi ku football. Ntwana ungangeni. Umtsipho ube nesikhathi. uKaizer Motaung ngeKaizer Chiefs ngabo 1970s. Nani. Ube nesikhathi to build le brand.
Yes, yeah.
Hayi ukuthi iChiefs ilento eyiyo nePirates ilento eyiyo neAl Ahly ilento eyiyo nga 2 years ngeke yenzeke basipanile jula abantu laba ama chairman wala team even other teams Africa even your Manchester United all the big teams who are big today and who are consistent challenging for big competitions angeke mfana lento yakho ukuthi uyacosha in but manje uannounce ucoach ubani uBadela as a head coach, and I thought uKwanele Kopo no September, I thought it was a good combination because ucoach Kopo mfana abantu abamkeni is very knowledgeable that guy. Uyamkena ntwana ukuthi nje noma acoach kakhulu kuma juniors, and I know why. There were some years ago he had offers to coach professional, but the super sport they couldn't allow at some point. They couldn't allow him to move. I would he's only good with young players. Dala bam avela ma offer bangafuni. I know now you know at some point in some years.
Tina's coach he was working under, he was the assistant therapist.
So yalazi Paul. So I thought Mdladla bekaphethe manje into emnandi.
Yeah.
You understand? Now coach Kopo badlala kahle. Coach Kopo wathi yena hayi
ngiyahamba.
Ninkinga mina.
Yeah.
Yavaya. Okay, Thabo, okay, usase young coach, which is understandable. Bekumele mhlanje amdonsele umunye umuntu one-experience.
Yeah.
Achubeke. That's my take.
Yes.
Uthabo bekumele amyeke. Amdonsele iHotman ene-experience bachubeke. So now ulandi coach le coach le be coacha
becoacha noRulani.
Becoacha noRulani beku assistant ne yakarulani. Yes, bekaphambi komuntu o very knowledgeable uRulani Mukwena, but akasu uRulani Mukwena.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So mina I'll advise Lumchita, okay, congratulations to him. This is a big opportunity for him.
Yes.
Yeah, he needs to prove himself and prove about football lovers.
Yeah.
Because football fans, they respect you ngomsebenzi wakho. Noma ungaba muhle kanjani ube out handsome or mara mabakuchaya lapho you angeke bak respect. So I just wish him well, but I just also wish to ukuthi uchipa man asingene endabeni zamathini. Hey, but ngathi anga respect ama coach a little bit better. A little bit more. Ngathi anga respect ama coach mfana because yena ngathi is too emotional.
Yes, I would number one. Yeah, nami I feel ukuthi some of the things that he does as yenzi sense, but at the same time I would ask you the question yokuthi he's been doing this thing for years and team yakhe relegator. He still stays.
It's a relegator, but sooner or later, it's a relegator.
He's a relegator.
Mdladla, you know, once you do such, you can get away ngezinto.
Yeah.
But it will catch up out here. Because uzoba ekugcineni kuzoba nala no coach will want to coach that team.
Ndaba silambile sibaningi abo coach yabo. And
mamela ntwana kunala
uzohambisa lo abize mina ngiye nami bangaye 5 games nami out. Yangithola. So yeah, and he will always have coaches. I think I listened to one of his interviews.
He won't have exceptional and good coaches. And ube nabo before, but because of lento yakhe yokungabi patient and you know,
the problem yakhe lento
manje is taking everyone.
But he asked a question. What yena uyabheka ilontuzana ama games akunikeza wona, and he already knows to survive a league mele u collect how many points?
30 points.
So magazokunika ama game mhlambe ayi10, and kulama game ayi10 already so lose 4. You can already see ukuthi lo muntu lo ngisemanzini lo.
No.
So uthi yena must I wait until my team is being relegated until ngizoqosha?
Kuyafana nalo makaceda ukungena ne uthatha over after 5 games. Bamshaya 3 adraw 1 uyamxosha ne. There was a time he had 4 coaches in one season. Disgrace.
Yeah, it's
disgrace.
Bad. It's bad lento ayenzayo. But at the same time, mina what I want to say, maybe I'm playing a devil's advocate here. He's giving a lot of coaches a chance. The only problem with him ukuthi uphinda aba discard abaqoshe futhi bangaka like coach Thabo, like uThabo September, he is still a new coach, he's still a young coach. Bekasafunda. I can put it that way. So mase umkhipha futhi umqosha uthi kwenzakaleni ngayi, because maybe next season already uThabo besekane plan because he knows the players lapha lawa khona.
Yeah, that's why
it already bekazo builder from what he did this season. So yamqosha uletha a new coach, a young coach, inexperienced again. phela naye inexperience.
Yeah, that's my
He might
point.
be good, but he's still inexperienced.
He might be no Rulani for years, nani yafunda, but akakabi experience. But we don't bash him
Yeah.
or simfiseli in. We are just saying the facts. Uzaziprove yena.
He's going to do something makangayenzi late lama results bayomxosha. So sometimes
Lalela ngeke ayicede isizini. It's a given angimfiseli into
Yeah.
enkosi yami.
Injalo.
Hawu nkosi yami. Uchipa nje awuyicede isizini. Yeah, phelela lapho. Okay Mdladla ucabanga ukuthi ama teams we World Cup wase Africa chance engaka ayifone.
I4.
Quickly singam in ungakhona ukucheckela konjeni bengiwayenzile.
Esperance,
Sundowns yini Esperance
Wydad.
Wydad ne
Sundowns, Esperance, Wydad, Al Ahly.
Oh Al Ahly yes no see right yeah I big teams, big African teams.
Yeah.
Comment nje mina I think we need more African teams to qualify for World Cup. I feel good for we are still in a disadvantage as Africans to win that thing.
Yeah.
You understand? We are very far disadvantaged to win that thing. At least I'm just hoping with maybe in the near future, kuzofana ne World Cup le ezayo le whereby we'll have 10 teams go World Cup. Yeah, young 20 whatever ezayo. So, but these are our household teams, Ntwana, and we wish them well, all of them. Manje favor bonke, ngiyayifavor ne Al Ahly manje ngeClub
Going
World
to
Cup.
the Club World Cup.
Going to the Club World Cup. And what's your feeling going mfana mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi the Al Ahly ngibonile Sundowns eshinyafu imnandi but ne Esperance imnandi but I don't know mfethu let me say I just wish one of the African teams ngafika ku semi final ngoba hayi babhekane nenkinga nje noma team boy4 yabhekane nenkinga
Wena patriotic nje because you're African.
yeah mina nginjalo mina
ufuna
ngipatriotic
bawine,
intwana uyangitshela vela ngicompromise
But mase uyibheka nekwebhola.
angeke bawine angeke bayiwine
Not ukuyiwina, but how far do you think they will go?
yeah that's why I'm saying you know
Knockout stages maybe.
they must go at least one reach quarterfinals or semi-finals. I mean, iTunisia iyenzile ku World Cup ya reach semi-finals intwana. So
In Morocco.
ikhona eyiwani
Morocco.
engalibeli ikekela ngale. Ilibeli ikekela and I can say Morocco. I can say Wydad angeke angeke
Hlanga-hlangene
hayi
Wydad.
Wydad hlanga-hlangene kakhulu angeke Wydad nje bayaya nabo bayabuya nje hayi Wydad futhi abaphathanga kahle umfowethu
Yeah, yikho labo
ngizwa mincane kabi for Wydad
namba
please
ngiqwathisa
don't
lapho.
forget to like share subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates eJabu Mahlangu and discussion this shuffling discussing intwana sesizoyivala no Wydad ngifeva ngoba I'm African
Africa, yeah.
ne but
Yasikwatisa.
abantswarasha
Yeah, no, nami hayi.
yeah I don't know ntwana maybe asibanikeze at least knockout stages I see yeah I think mina one of the teams I don't know eyiphi izofika kuma knockout stages because wonke lama team alapha wase Africa siwabalile amnandi mara hey I think iyeke lapho wena ucabanga
Nami
knockout stages at least it can be achieved.
knockout stages mfethu. I was hoping a Sundowns have the quality. The
Ntwana,
only problem
hope Sundowns ngoba we South African.
Yeah?
Al Ahly
No,
phela is big
because-
Wydad is big.
No,
Last khuluma ngama team I4
No,
continent. Asiyeke ukuba South African. Si manje si continent.
No, knockout stages for Sundowns. Yi team engiyibona not because I'm South African, but because of the quality of players that they have and the football ebesidlala before Cardoso.
So ukhala ngoKhadozo wena
Hayi.
uzama ukuthi after Joba losile CAF Champions
He's
League.
too defensive, this coach.
Mara ntwana uachievile for the Urulani semi-finals nalo konje ubani before Rulani ama semi-finals twice in a row uyakhumula Sundowns by that other season and that other season they lost kuma semi-finals and the previous season bashawa uKhadoso kuma semi-finals bamlethe uKhadoso udliwe kuma finals. Don't you think it's a bit of achievement?
What achievement?
Come on, man.
No, man.
Come on.
What achievement?
You go to the final,
wait,
man.
let me tell you, Joe.
No matter Ntwana uyayizwa.
Nah, he still didn't win it, Joe. Still the same.
But ufike ku final.
At the end of the day,
afike ku final.
Still
I give it to him. So Tine.
Pirates,
Utahambe.
final ngabo they didn't win it. Who speaks about them now? No one. No one remembers second best, but we will remember the winner. He did not win it.
So improvement
ayisebenzi.
ayisebenzi.
Yeah, they must operate like Al-Ahly mfethu. Monga win bayakuhambisa. Monga win ikef hamba baba.
Ne Sundowns mara seya
Phela
lapho.
that's what they said.
Mara just ne Sundowns seya lapho monga notice ngoba iPSL vele it's a given.
Of course.
Leyo vele sebaya lapho. Wangayiwin melu
Must go baba. Bamambiseleni uRulani, bamambiseleni uManqoba.
Because
Because they did not feel
bafike ku
ukuthi-
semi-final lo ufikile ku
They
final
feel
hayi
they-
ntwana ngeke.
akayiwinanga makahamba.
Mara ufikile ku final laba bafikanga ku final.
Uyiwinile na.
Eish sense hey uzongiphathisa ikhanda. Asiyeke lapho mfana sense sizokhuluma ngelilanga.
sikhuluma
So
ngelilanga.
bothini wena mina personally masidlulisa indaba eSundowns abamgayi chance nama angakamboni kahle honestly speaking mase ngikhuluma nje iqiniso angakamboni kahle but the only thing engingayisho engiyibonile kancane ayenzile yilo mfana lo Salisi lo mude.
Okay.
Lesikhathi afika bengathi akekho mnandi yabona namanje ayikuthi ngithi umnandi nandi yabona but
Khona ukubona
uthema
iquality
kafika mabamdlalisa sort of ngathi number 10 nani he started to be better under this uKhadoso and then lo Suarez left back lo engasho ukuthi imbobo hayi uKhadoso uthi vela hayi angabuyela emuva hayi uthi no grand uziyalalela uKhadoso uzile lo iChiefs yokushala I am sure lapho sharp story for another day mara bengazi nokuthi ku loan le out beze on loan bekumele ulwele permanent contract but ngathi bayam release vele lo yamele bam release uye vele nami ngishilo bafethu ngibonile. And then lastly ntwana ama playoffs Betway promotional playoffs sibonile on Wednesday first game yale mini league iOrbit College bedlala ne Kesrick Stars yaka Bucks umthombeni indoda efike ithanda iChiefs kabi singakhuluma ngiyazi wayo la khaso sise. Did you watch the game?
Yeah,
I was doing that game. Yeah, no, I was disappointed with both teams' display, losing the balls easily, passing my opponent. Both teams. Mangibamba ibhola ngiphasa laba Kesrick beyigcoke ijezi elimhlophe iOrbit beyigcoke iblue lo phethe ijezi elimhlophe makaphethe ibhola uphasa lo eliblue lo oliblue makaphethe ibhola uphasa lo gcoke ijezi elimhlophe so bengididekile studio bafethu benenza lo game bengididekile blind ukuthi la kwenzakalani la and going to that game iOrbit they've never beaten Kesrick in the last 4 games. I think Batro I won and then Kesrick belibeli bashaya vele. You understand? Mabadlala ku in their league. You understand? So vele they've never beaten ile. But now Kesrick 2002 the first time they played promotional playoffs. babashabo uyifola ama game and then azange bakore. So manje njengoba babuyele 2024-25 bawine badlale idraw ye-0-0 against Orbit away from home. uBucks uthi it's an improvement compared to 2022 and 2023 njengoba ngishilo ba lose all 4 games and abakoranga beba angazi abakoranga 4 games lalela 4 1 2 3 4
Yeah.
90 minutes 90 minutes 90 minutes 90 minutes
abakoranga
abakoranga nakule 90 minutes abakoranga mara at least baphume
ne-point
baphume ne-point mfana uyibona kanjani for mina personal bese wena uyangena sizoyivala mina I think i-Cape Town City bafethu if ayibuyi ku-PSL based with all due respect to Orbit College and i-Kesrick Stars based on the performance I saw on Wednesday they don't deserve to play in the PSL that's my take
yeah
ngiyayiceda lapho uthini wena
hayi ntwana nami lento engiyibonela
and i-Cape Town City if ayibuyi ku-PSL with the performance engiyibonile kule game eye-Orbit ne Stars nabo they don't deserve to play in the PSL
yeah
ungachubeka
no mfana mina for mina nami being disappointed
Blind.
the kind of football
blind mfana blind
mangibheka
Sure.
it's stage fright angazi or yini or they just thinking ukuthi guys we're not gonna concede so everyone nje akekho umuntu bekafuna ukubamba ibhola akekho umuntu bekafuna ukudlala
Yo.
so nje
Bra.
it was a different game mfethu and we don't want to see that in the PSL
yeah bana
we definitely don't want to see that
yeah
I think nabo mele bazi ukuthi if this is what they are playing if this is the kind of football they are playing then
ayibuye le Cape
not
Town
in the
City
ngcono ihlala Cape Town City ke
yeah
yabo so
Ngcono
let's
ihlale yona.
let's just say maybe bekwama stage fright and approach yabo ngoba ama playoffs so
but
they don't
bayadlalana labantu badlala ku-same league
and
they know each
bayazana
other
mfethu yeah
like Autiam like that performance Joe for both it was bad
It
and
was
that's why
very
it with all due respect to lama team fana wethu it was bad it was really bad bengabuke like it was bad I don't know angifuni mina kuyenza studio SABC ngiyenza igame so
eish
yangikhawatha nami mental
awazi ukhuluma uthini
we had no talking points guys now we must create moments now we must create moments ukuthi sibheke albambe lo mina phasela avela aphase lo bese sithi hayi nayi asenzeni le moment talking point sibachazisele ama viewers ukuthi
they should have
bekumele angasajika yele uya yena aya kwini le bekumele aphase lo yabo now we are that's how bad that display is you understand esibone Wednesday but ngishilo ngathi with all due respect hayi kabi kumele both teams if they want to play in the PSL they need to improve so i-Orbit today idlala ne Cape Town City predictions sivalo ngoba yikho into ozoyikhuluma ngo-Orbit
Cape Town City mfethu
ubonile nawe ukuthi banjani
straight Cape Town City
ne-Cape Town City uyibonile ku-PSL the whole season ukuthi injani ngifuna nje i-predictions
Cape Town City ntwana
hlukane nalezi zinto lezi
Cape Town City ntwana sivana
bafethu siyabonga bafethu that was our show bekwama-topic nyana wethu esiringa ngawo bafethu njengoba kwi-off season siyabonga kakhulu ngisaphinda sibonga kakhulu and we appreciate your support especially bonke abantu abasubscribeile bafethu njengoba ngisho ngithi besichecka ama analysis wethu nani guys we are growing bafethu and ngaphandle kwenu nonke nini subscribeile to this channel we are bekungeke bafethu sikhule siyanicela nalabo abanye bafethu abangaka subscribe please sicela ni subscribe and support bafethu asinanyungu bafethu lo yengikhulume ngaye ecaleni lo yeah akunanyuku bafethu akunanyuku still sisasupportwa i-sharp to make sure ukuthi siyashoota we've got i-production na yonke into ama-guest wethu nawo mawafika siwaphatha kahle siba grand and we are still looking for sponsors you know we are still looking for sponsors but asijahanga noma singayoshootela i-episode phansi kwesihlahla sizoyishoota as long sizospana i-content ikhona sizochubeka sispane wire until size sisithola isponsor sizokwazi ukuthi sibe nama resources abhaya esiwafunayo because there's a lot of things esifuna ukuzenza but we are limited asikhona ukuzenza sifuna ukuya kuma tournament wasemakasi live laphayana sifuna ukuya kuma esiningi izinto esifuna ukuzenza bafethu but we can't asikwazi ukuzenza zonke lezi zinto kwamanje, but lokho okuncane esinako siya appreciate ne support enisinikeza yona, siya appreciate. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers bafethu. Adios, sonibona in the next episode. Danko.
It's a rap, Ntwana. Ola baba.
Danko.
Nice one, sir.